Underneath the passenger side, below the glove box, there are 2 plastic screws right here. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew these here. Once those come out, you want to grab the styrofoam insulator pad right here and just work that out. In the back section right here, there's going to be a little slide tab. Slide that over to the right. Should be able to reach up in here and grab our cabin air filter. Go ahead and pull that down. You can see this one definitely needs to be replaced. Paying attention to the orientation where the slanted part goes to the upper right. Take the filter, line that back up. Go ahead and work that filter back up into place. Line up the little tabs on the cover with the foam, slide that back over, lock it into place. I'm going to go ahead and grab your foam shield. Tuck this back up into position. And we'll install our little plastic screw tabs.